In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Lemonade insurance app that's not working. We all know how frustrating it can be when an app we rely on suddenly stops functioning. But don't worry, today I'm here to guide you with some straightforward steps to get your Lemonade insurance app back up and running. The first thing you should always do when facing app issues is check your internet connection. Ensuring you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is crucial because no internet errors are often the culprits behind such problems. Take a moment to verify that your internet is working correctly. Sometimes reconnecting to Wi-Fi or toggling airplane mode can do the trick. Next, if your internet connection isn't the problem, let's move on to restarting the app and your device. Start by force closing the Lemonade app completely. This can usually be done by swiping it away from the list of open apps. Once it's closed, reopen the app to see if it works smoothly. If the issue persists, try rebooting your phone. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can clear up any temporary glitches affecting app performance. If you've checked your connection and rebooted your device but the problem continues, it might be time to update the app. An outdated version might be the issue due to unresolved bugs. Head over to the App Store if you're on iOS or Google Play if you're using Android and check for any available updates. Install them to ensure you're running the latest version, as app developers regularly release updates to improve functionality and fix known issues. For those using an Android device, clearing the app cache or data can be an effective solution. Head into your phone's settings, tap Apps, find and select Lemonade, then go to Storage. Here, you can clear the cache. If needed, you can also choose to clear the data, which can reset the app but may remove any local information you've stored. On the other hand, if you are using an iPhone, you'll need to delete the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. This helps get rid of any corrupted data files that might be causing the issue. Following these simple, quick fix steps should help resolve most of the problems you're experiencing with the Lemonade Insurance app. Remember, staying updated and performing these routine checks can help keep your apps functioning well. If you've tried all these steps and are still facing problems, reaching out to Lemonade's customer support might be your best bet, as they can provide more specific assistance. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now you're equipped with all the tools you need to troubleshoot your Lemonade insurance app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.